Hi my good friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do another Coach unboxing with you girls. So if you watch my channel, you know I recently did an unboxing of the Coach signature, and this is the Sullivan Sling Pack in the signature monogram Coach canvas. So today I wanted to do another unboxing. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel if you love Coach unboxings or Coach handbag videos. Let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's jump right in with this unboxing. I have my box right here from Coach with the way the items were delivered, and I'm going to go ahead. I opened it up already because I ordered more than one item and they all came in this one large box. So this is the way they were delivered, and you could see the other item. This is a big box. The other item is right here. There's a couple in there, and I'm going to go ahead and remove this first one right here because this is the one that we're going to be talking about today. And let's go ahead and get that box out the way. So I'm so excited about this one, you guys, and part of the reason I'm so excited about this one is the color, the lovely color. I'm hyped about this color. I'm geeked about this color. It's chalk white, and it's a beautiful color. Let's go ahead, let's take this beauty out so we can start enjoying it. And this is going to be a beautiful color to wear in the winter months, and in the fall I wear a lot of black and brown, but in the summer months I tend to go Lisa Ray on them, you guys, and bust out my white cover-up pieces. Oh, I thought I had one on one of my beautiful girls right here, but she's changed out of it. I love the white cover-ups. So with the white cover-ups, this lovely bag in this lovely color is gonna look so beautiful. So let me go ahead and take it off. Here it is right here, and this is in the lovely chalk color for Coach. It's so pretty. I hope the color shows up nice on camera. I hope you guys are going to be able to really see it. But the nice thing about this is that these are unisex bags, and this is the correct way. So these are unisex bags, and that men and women can wear them. So here it is in the lovely chalk color, and then I have the signature one right here that I recently revealed on my channel. So these are two Coach Sullivan Sling Packs, and I absolutely love these beauties in my handbag collection. Like I said, now I'm going to go ahead and cut the tags off. I didn't cut the tag off of this one, so let me go ahead and do that now. I still have my belongings in that one from the last time when we talked about it. You guys, you girls can see, and gentlemen, that these hold a lot. You're going to be able to fit a lot. Look how much space is still in there. And I had in there my key case by Louis Vuitton. I have a Coach signature card case, the skinny one, and then I had another card case in here as well, and then and then also I have my phone in here. So you're going to be able to hold a lot in there, you guys. There will be a lot that these Sullivan Sling Packs can hold, but this is the beautiful chalk one, and I'm absolutely loving this one. And I'm going to go ahead and take off all of this, and then we'll be back to talk about these beauties. Okay, you girls, so I'm back, and I pretty much basically got all the rest of the wrapping off of this Sullivan Sling Pack. I have a few more pieces right here to go ahead and take off to remove off the hardware. And then the last and final thing I'm going to do is go ahead and clip this tag off right here so I can start enjoying this bag in the summer. So there you go. I went ahead and took that tag off. Now this bag is completely unwrapped, and it'll be ready for me to start enjoying. I do have to adjust the strap on this one. It came with the strap very long and extended, so I'm pretty sure I'm not going to need to use it with this long length. I'm going to go ahead and shorten and adjust the strap off camera. But I love the hang tags. We talked about this in my other video, how Coach, the men's line, tends to give you double sometimes or a few more hang tags. So this bag, this particular Coach Sullivan, comes with two tags, and I really appreciate that, and I think it looks so cute. And this is what it looks up next to the signature one. So both of these are very slim signature packs. So the backpacks are larger, and then the sling packs are a bit slimmer, skinnier, and smaller, and they don't have the double strap like a backpack does. The sling packs only have the one strap. hence the name sling. You can go ahead and sling it across you and then wear it like a crossbody, but slung across your body. And I absolutely love those. I did go ahead and bring in my backpack here, this one, because I wanted to just go ahead and show how much wider the Trekker backpack is. So compared to the sling pack, this is the difference right here. Comparatively, these are both of these backpacks. You can see this one, of course, is much larger. I did a video on my channel showing where this one with the side pockets right here, you actually can go ahead and put a full-size water bottle down in here. And of course, you're going to be able to carry much, much more with this backpack. This being from the men's line, this one only has one tag right here. But I absolutely love this Trekker backpack. I'll put the correct name somewhere here. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I'll go ahead and insert the name. I've had this backpack for over a year now in my collection, and I enjoy it because I was downtown Chicago one day and I actually saw somebody wearing my backpack, and I just felt so happy because it made me feel like, dang, I picked the right bag if I liked it and he liked it. And like I said, these bags are sold in the men's section, but they are unisex, so men or women can use them. This is a very useful backpack. It's useful because it also has a top handle where if you don't want to have it crossbody, or sometimes, you know, as you're doing things throughout your day, you could go ahead and alternate from carrying it with the sling pack strap or carrying it top handle. Now, the Sullivan doesn't have this top handle. The Sullivan you can only use as a sling pack, or you can go ahead and just carry it by the strap, hold it down low like this, but it's still a nice backpack. So this is what the sling packs look like. These are very nice bags. Throw down. The men's sections really throws down for handbags for men, and women can cross over to that side of the store or go to the separate men's Coach outlet. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. This was so much fun to do. I love explaining and talking about the differences in these lovely backpacks, and this chalk color to me just rocks. Whether you're a man or a woman, I absolutely love this beautiful chalk color. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Come back to my channel for more handbag content and Coach content, and I'll see you girls and gentlemen in tomorrow's video. Peace.